Good morning. I just made myself some breakfast, but I have quite a few things to do today. First off, I'm moving again back into my dorm for a new semester at uni. There's still a lot of preparation I have to do before I can move. I have made a list of all of the things that I want to take with me so that I don't forget anything. I still have to go to the drugstore to get some essentials. I also need to pack a present that I got for a friend. She likes to collect stickers, so I bought a book for her where she can put all of them in so that they're like not lying around randomly in a drawer or something. And I wanted to print out a self-made sticker to put on top of it, like with her name written on it and just something like that. And I need to print that out as well. So I think I'm gonna do that today. I might actually go to Ikea as well, as my brother said that he wanted to go. I also want to go to the Asian store to grab some instant ramen because I'm lazy, and when I don't want to cook, I love to have some instant ramen, like some bulldog. I also need to get a new pot for my plant that I bought a few weeks ago. The other pot that I was using, first of all, it was way too small. Second of all, it was leaking. I'm thinking of taking my plant with me to my dorm because I really want to have it there. But yeah, that's basically the plan for today. I'm gonna eat breakfast now and then we're gonna go to the drugstore. Well, I'm sorry, but I lied. Before going to the drugstore, we need to actually design the stickers that we're gonna print there. I'm currently just creating the title for the book called Lena's Sticker Book. I've also prepared some other cutouts that I'm gonna print, like from our time together at uni, like some funny images and stuff like that. I'm gonna print my stickers too. But yeah, let's head to the drugstore now after giving my cat a few pets. It's now 4:24. We had a bit of a change of a plan. My brother's coming with me to the drugstore and then we're gonna go to the Asia store. At Ikea, I was looking for a pot for my plant, but they didn't really have one that I particularly liked. Most of them also didn't really fit. Trust me, I measured. We've also looked for a few other things, but in the end I only got a pack of cinnamon rolls and a watering can for my dorm. It is now currently around 2 p.m. and in about 2 hours I will be going to eat with my mom, dad and my brother. Until then I still need to pack quite a lot of things. Like right here is my list so far. There's quite a few things on it and I just thought I'd just grab everything and just put it down on the floor. Doesn't really matter just to have it like here, and then I need to load up the car with everything. I don't want to go, honestly. I don't want to go, but also I'm kind of like conflicted because I also am kind of excited and I still haven't done the sticker thing. Still need to do that as well because I need to take that with me and I don't have any wrapping paper there, so I guess I'm gonna do that first and then we'll pack for the big move.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's just a small little book with like some special paper inside that you can put stickers on and you can take them off again. And there's just this scraper kind of tool that you can scrape the stickers off with if they're not coming off. I don't know how it works honestly. I just thought it was a cool idea and the reviews on Amazon were good, so I think it's gonna work. Not too bad, is it? I'm just gonna put in all of the other stickers that I printed out just for the fun and the giggles of it. Since it's my last night at home before the big move, we went all out, like literally, to an all-you-can-eat tart flambe dinner. Now I'll be honest, I wasn't exactly hyped at first. Tart flambe isn't usually my thing, but oh my god, this place changed me. We basically treated the menu like a checklist. We had one of everything. Every single one of them was so good, I started losing track after number 6. I think we ended up with 9 in total. 10 out of 10, I would do it again, but preferably with stretchy pants next time. I just came back from dinner. I just brought a box from downstairs where I'm gonna put like a few of the things into. It's a bit dirty, I just noticed, but oh well, it doesn't really matter at all. As you can see, this is all a total mess right now, so I think this will come in handy. I also just visited my grandma and grandpa and said goodbye to them. I'm so incredibly full from dinner. I got like a big belly now. But yeah, I'm just gonna start packing my stuff up and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm so tired. I found another one.
Another one.